I recently bought a rigging knife, an essential bit of kit for anyone who sails or works on sailboats. A rigging knife is specifically designed for a range of tasks related to rope work and rigging, but it's also an important piece of safety equipment. In emergencies like becoming entangled in a rope or needing to quickly release a sail, a rigging knife can truly be a lifesaver. In this video, I'll explain why I chose to buy a Myerchin knife and why I opted for a plain blade rather than one with a serrated edge. And I should point out that I am not paid or sponsored by Myerchin. I bought this knife with my hard-earned cash after doing quite a bit of research. This is a Captain folding rigging knife. It met my extensive list of requirements, which I organised into categories like durability, blade design, ergonomics, versatility, ease of use, safety, weight, size, and manufacturer reputation. I wasn't in the market for a fixed blade rigging knife. I didn't want to carry around a bulky sheath on my belt containing a knife and separate marlin spike. I'm not a professional sailor, I'm a weekender. Knives with a folding blade and marlin spike are very popular among leisure sailors because they're compact and can therefore easily fit into a pocket or be hung from a lanyard. The blade is manufactured to withstand the harsh marine environment. It's made from German marine stainless steel, comparable to 440C high carbon grade steel, but with additional antioxidation elements, which means that it's tough, so it will withstand heavy-duty use, will have good wear and corrosion resistance, and will hold an edge well. It has a drop point blade, so features a sloping spine, gently curving from the handle to the blade's tip. A drop point blade is versatile. It can perform a wide range of tasks, including slicing, piercing, and precision cuts. Its design makes it effective for a wide variety of activities, from cutting rope to preparing food, making it a practical choice for sailors and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The curved blade profile provides excellent control for precision cutting, making it easier to perform intricate tasks. That's because the tip is close to the center line of the knife. Compared with other types of knife design, drop point blades are very strong. They have a robust tip that is less prone to breaking than knives with finer points, and the large belly contributes to the blade's strength. The drop point design is generally safer to use in situations where you want to avoid accidental punctures or excessive penetration, as the point is less pronounced and aggressive compared to some other blade shapes. The blade incorporates a shackle key, making it easy to open and close shackles, ensuring secure and reliable connections in my rigging. I use locking shackles, which can be stiff to open, especially when my hands are cold and wet. With just a simple twist, this shackle key allows me to quickly and easily open and close these crucial rigging components. Like many rigging knives, the Myerchin includes a marlin spike, a versatile tapered tool that's used in rigging tasks such as splicing ropes, untying knots, or loosening tight knots. The handle is designed for comfort and grip and is fitted with a clip for slipping the knife into a pocket or onto a belt. There's also a lanyard ring ensuring safe storage and easy access when sailing. Included with the knife is a Cordura nylon sheath with belt loops, giving you options for how you want to carry your knife. Weighing 7 ounces or 195 grams, the knife is lightweight and easy to handle, but with a blade length of almost 3 inches, 72 millimeters, it doesn't compromise on cutting power. The knife is easily opened one-handed by using what Myerchin calls its open assist lever, a small tab that is operated with the thumb. Alternatively, the shackle key doubles as a thumb hole if you prefer to open your knife that way. To prevent accidental closure and potential injury, both the blade and marlin spike are locked in position when opened. The liner locking mechanism is easy to release so that both blade and marlin spike are easily closed one-handed. Myerchin's leaflet says that the knife has a frame lock, but it looks more like a liner lock to me. I own a Leatherman, which includes a plain blade and a serrated blade, among other tools. It's a great multi-tool, but too heavy to carry when sailing. I needed something lighter and thought long and hard about whether to buy a knife with a serrated, plain, or combination blade. Plain blades are easy to sharpen. They give a smooth, clean cut, are great for detailed work, and they don't drag when cutting soft materials. But they dull faster than a serrated edge and generally require more force to cut through tough materials. Serrated blades excel at cutting through tough materials quickly. They tend to stay sharp longer than plain blades. Their design makes for easier cutting because less downward pressure is required. However, sharpening serrated blades can be challenging and typically require specialized tools. They tend not to perform well in situations that require fine cuts or detailed work, and are generally thought to be less versatile than plain blades. If I were sailing day in, day out, I'd opt for a serrated blade when out on the water to quickly cut rope in emergencies, while keeping a plain bladed knife at home for work that requires precise cuts. But I don't sail day in, day out, and since almost all of my rope work, which requires fine cuts, is done at home, I can't really justify owning two knives. A single plain bladed knife is all I need. Myerchin make a version of this knife called the Captain Pro, which has a part serrated, part plain blade, but I decided against the Pro. To meet my needs, I'd prefer a longer plain edged section than that available on the Pro. I also think that I'd find a combination blade more of a fiddle to use than either a fully serrated or fully plain blade. So why did I choose a Myerchin knife over many similar good quality knives made by other manufacturers? Firstly, Myerchin knives have a solid reputation, particularly among sailors and maritime professionals. Myerchin is associated with high quality, durable and practical design tailored to marine use. Myerchin's commitment to producing reliable, purpose-built knives has earned them a loyal following in the boating and outdoor communities. Overall, Myerchin knives are regarded as trustworthy tools that meet the specific needs of their users. The second reason for choosing Myerchin was that their folding knives come in two sizes, the Captain and the smaller Crew. Not all manufacturers offer a choice of sizes. I opted for the more substantial Captain's knife. I think it will be more versatile than the Crew and better suits my hand size. The final reason was that Myerchin offers a variety of handle options for the majority of their knives. The folding Captain can be ordered with a handle made of black G10, a tough glass fibre resin laminate, bone, hardwood or titanium. I chose the hardwood because it looks and feels great and can be left to age naturally or protected with an occasional waxing. Aesthetically, it's a good match for my oak and mahogany lugger. If you're thinking of buying a rigging knife, your needs are unlikely to be identical to mine. However, I hope this video has given you food for thought